Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about Introduction of SQL. Structured Query Language SQL is a special-purpose programming language designed for managing data held in a relational database management system, RDBMS, or for stream processing in a relational data stream management system, RDSMS. SQL consists of a data definition language DDL, data manipulation language DML, and a data control language DCL. SQL syntax. SQL query consists of different clauses, expressions which together form a statement. Insignificant white space is generally ignored in SQL statements and queries, making it easier to format SQL code for readability. SQL is not case sensitive, select is the same as select. SQL statements also include the semicolon, statement terminator. Though not required on every platform, it is defined as a standard part of the SQL grammar. Example. Consider the following table with the name, employee. We use the following select statement if we want to fetch all the records from the table, NBSP. Select from employee. Output. Table to make output. We use the following select statement if we want to fetch specific records from the table. Code type table to make. Thank you.